Hi guys, welcome to our visit to High Park in Toronto. Temperature is about 33 degrees, 9:30 in the morning. So here we are going through the park, on the hillside park they call it, that's the portion of High Park. So walking through the pathway, so see how nice it is. It's a more tropical environment with lots of sunshine, lots of manicured lawn and vegetation. So continuing a walk, we are walking towards the floral pattern down the hill into the Central Valley here. So you would, as it comes into the view, see how nicely they manicured it. Beautiful flower arrangement. And then we are about to go through the maze onto the other side, which would be leading us to the Grenadier Pond. So these are again one more floral arrangement that they've kept. Such a nice place, calm and quiet, no noise. This is in the midst of Toronto. You would see this, the downtown buildings as we cross over from here. Yes, we are almost arrived at the central point of the park here. So this is called as the Grenadier Park. So lots of shade, lots of seating arrangement facing the waters. Then you would also see lots of ducks, which are again a cross between the mallard and the rowan. Variety of species which is found in this park. And then you also see fishes, which is again called the northern pike in these waters. So, short while you'll also see a lot of anglers there trying to catch some of them. So this is the scenery that we saw. The High Park trackless train just going across, this red little train which goes across the park for people who have mobility issues and also for seniors and kids. So that's again one of the attractions which you could enjoy when you come up here. So it's beautiful. This is the secondary pathway again leading up to the Grenadier Park. On this side of the hillside, you will also come across an interconnecting bridge between the two pathways, which is now currently closed due to renovations or maintenance. So this is again more shadier, so you could go down, and again this will lead you down to the maple leaf formation, the floral formation that was previously shown. As we were descending towards the waterfront, we came across these two guys. One is called as the North American chipmunk, and the bird is called as the red-winged blackbird, which is again endemic to North America, northern US and Canada. So we are again walking towards the Grenadier Pond. So there's again the pathway which is again going down up to the waterfront there. And then again you see one more chipmunk running up there. Yep. Now we are walking towards the outlook point on Grenadier Pond. So this is a nice space where you could take good photographs of the whole area. A large vista of the pond comes up, and it's a very pleasant to the eyes. It's really good. As mentioned earlier, these are again a crossbreed between the rowan and the mallard, endemic to North America, US and Canada. And then you have the eastern squirrel. It's called as the eastern gray squirrel. You can see on the tree, eastern gray squirrel. So this is very common in Toronto. You could see it in the backyards. So very pleasant scenery. We just met a nice friend on the way out during a walk after witnessing the ducks. This is the Tartarian honeysuckle they call them, and it's an invasive species in North America. As you cross the pergola gardens, hanging gardens, you'll come across a green maze area with a central fountain, which is currently not working, under renovation, but it's a pleasing place to see, and lots of shade, so you could make use of the shade and have a picnic up there. Now we are walking up the Colborne Lodge Drive. So coming up to the parking, so you have a lot of floral arrangements on either side of the road. So you'd see, it will be very surprising to see a banana tree, ornamental banana tree in Toronto in summer, July 2025. So this is a nice place. So further down this street, where you see a lot of cherry trees at the peak of the blossoms, but right now it has passed. Early spring you could actually see them. When you're walking up to the parking area, on the left hand side you will see Grenadier Cafe and Restaurant, and then you also come across Kawartha Cafe, where you can get nice ice creams and then good latte and coffee. So again, this is the interior of the cafe. So well done with the artificial foliage, and it's shaded too in the hot sun. So nice. We have come to the end of our visit in the High Park. Thank you guys for being with us.